Hey ladies, this is Samantha Thompson, Executive Director with 31 Gifts, and I wanted to make a video for you to show you exactly how to go about entering orders. So you're going to start by going to 31today.com and logging in. Once you do, you'll see your home screen here, and you're going to click on Manage My Business, and then click on Orders, and then click on Open Orders. So that's one way to get to your screen. Another way would be to click on Parties. And I'm going to walk you through each kind of order. So first of all, you need to have a party set up for each of your hostesses. So in order to do that, you're just going to click New Party, and then the screen will pop up. You're going to enter in all your hostesses' information, what kind of party it is, and what date you're closing. Once you do that, I'm going to go ahead and do a fake one in here, so that way you guys can see. I think I can put here. So here is my fake party. I put in all my hostess information. I'm going to hit save and continue. The key to this is make sure you click this button that says show on your site. That way your hostess, their guests will be able to see the party on your site. If you don't click that, it won't show up. And then down here is your party link, and you're just going to click save and update. And then once you do that and you go to parties, you're going to see there's my fake party right here. So because I already have, I clicked save, I'm going to go ahead and delete this so that way my guests don't see that. Once you do have your parties up here and you want to go ahead and add an order, you're just going to click on the name of the party, and you can add orders anytime while your party is going on. And then you're just going to click new order. Once you do that, you're going to put in your guest name. Oh, I can't type. And if you've put them in before, then they should stay in your account, and you can just save it. If not, you can add their information. And if I realized, oh no, I put this in as the wrong party, I can always change it right here too by clicking on that little drop down box. So once I put in the information, I'm just going to hit save and continue. Party's going to come up. Our system's running slow today, so of course the day I'm making a video. And then I'm just going to start entering the items, and I can do it by two different ways. I can enter the item number and it'll pop up, or I can just enter part of the name. Like I said, it's slow, so it's not really working as it normally would, but typically that name would pop up there too. You can also click on things like this and then add the products like this. So I'm just going to pick a product here. We're going to go with the Creative Caddy. And then once I click on Creative Caddy, or entered the item number, or entered Creative Caddy and I clicked it, you'll see all the prints. So let's say we're going to choose First Mate. We're going to personalize this. And I'm going to do just a name on this one. So I'm going to choose Style A, and then I'm going to choose my font as curled, and I'm just going to do one line, and I'm going to put my daughter's name on here, and I'm going to choose Hot Pink Thread, and then I'm going to preview it and see if that's how I wanted it to look. While that comes up, a little customer service point. When I do this, I always save these items. And like I said, this is usually way faster. but for some reason our system is slow today, and it might be because I'm running this screen recording software over top of the ordering. That might be what's slowing it down as well. But a little point of customer service, if you right click, you can save these images, and then I will text message or Facebook message them to the people who have ordered, just so they can get a preview and make sure they like the item before I order it. Once I preview it, I do have to come back and hit update cart to add it to the cart. And then if you click on order, you're going to see my item in my cart now. And I'm going to go ahead and add something else so that I qualify for a monthly special, and I can show you guys how to add those as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add a zipper pocket for one of my purses. Okay, so now I have two things in my cart, and you can see I'm above the $35 mark. You don't have to wait till you're above the $35 to add your special, but I'm just showing you. So I'm going to add a slingback bag, which is on special this month, and I'm going to choose Gray Wave, and I'm going to click add to order. Now when I go back to my cart, you're going to see the slingback bag is at full price, and I'm just going to click this button that says discount this item. Simple. Now you'll see it's discounted. At this point I can hit begin checkout. Now let's say I had one customer who bought these two things, and then I wanted to sell this special to another customer. If you're shipping the entire order to yourself, instead of your hostess, you can do this. If the guest is a direct shipped order, you can't do that because you can't split where the top two items go and the special goes. And I also don't recommend that you do this with your hostess unless she's the one purchasing the special, because it's not fair to ask her to bring you back 4 or 5 specials that you sold on her party. But if I do have a lot of specials and I want to sell them, I might ship the whole order to myself, sort it for my hostesses, give the specials to my customers who ordered the extra specials, and then from there, give my hostess her order. So once I click begin checkout, I can then add a new payment. And you're going to see everyone who has already given me a credit card on this order, I can charge their card again. If they ordered something else, I can use my card on file if someone pays cash or credit card, or I can do a new guest card. When you do a new guest card, if you are splitting the payment, you're going to enter the person's information here and their card number. This is the part that you change. So I'm going to put $45.58 here, and then I would put this person's card information, and you can see right here the balance $31.45. So now I can charge someone else's card that amount. Does that make sense? Hope so. So I'm going to back out of this, and I'm going to go back to orders because I want to show you guys the other kind of orders there are. So you can click new order, and you can do this when you're doing a party order, when you're doing a retail order where someone orders but it's not associated with a party. Now I always put an order with a party if I have one open, just because it bumps my hostess's rewards up. And then if for some reason I didn't have a party open, or someone wanted to order something today and they need it, in 2 weeks for sure, then I would do a retail order. But I rarely do those. I usually try to combine them with another party if at all possible. So when I click on what type of order this is, I can choose party order, which is like the one we just did, a retail customer order, which is like what I just explained, business supply order, which is where you're going to order catalogs, order forms, things like that. And then this is also where you can set up do things with your website or your customer email, things like that. So those are the different orders that you can choose. So I hope this video has helped you with order entry. Oh, let me show you one other thing. So I'm going to go back to this party, and I'm going to view my party. And I'm going to go down here. So here's where I put all my guest orders in. When it's time to do my hostess, I just click hostess, and then I can edit her order. And it's going to show me everything that is in my cart. So or everything I'm able to get. So it's going to show me my hostess credits and what I've chosen, how much I have left. It shows me I have 2 hostess exclusives left. I have 1 half price item left. I have 1 hostess special left. And then I can also add on retail items for my hostess. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help, but hopefully this video helped you with order entry. Thanks, ladies.